Do I like the tool? Today's tool is called HTTPX. I'm not really sure, I haven't heard about it. But this is the one, and I don't know, it's a tool to fingerprint a web server. So yeah, I think we need something good. We need something that is really interesting, reliable, running always. We do have gobuster, whatever you want to call it. We have gobuster. They're really good, but can this beat the tools? Let's go have a look at this. So the reason way to install it, and basically I think we're gonna choose the one called installing using GitHub. So let's go and do that. Let's see if I copy paste this here to a document. I knew something was fishy with this, so let's go ahead and try. Okay, let's make it easy for me, so let's just see. This is the thing, when you copy paste from this side, I don't know why it's like this, but definitely it's something you need to work out, because guys, here on latest hacking news, made it easier for us to do this. So I'm gonna take this one line by line and basically just install. No, obviously I didn't copy paste it good enough. Let's turn time. Git cloning. So we're gonna go into this directory. It shouldn't be. I can type that. Go build. No. Sudo get install. Let's see. Go lang. Go. So let's install that as well. Now you might find these kind of small quirks that you need some tool or something. Luckily, the newer versions of Linux Kali will actually display you what to type in order to install it. But if you're familiar with this, let's go build again. Yeah, there we go. And this is written in Go, it seems. That's the Google language. I haven't tried it, but maybe I should make a tutorial on Go. What do you guys think? Should I do a tutorial on Go programming? I'm not really the biggest programmer in the world, but I could definitely do something. There we go. And oops. And then nope. Let's copy paste one more time. Do I need to do that? Do I need to move that? I don't think I need to do that. Let's just try. Can I do this? Yes, let's do it then. Alright. So we're installing stuff. Let's try one more time. And now we're getting the yeah, okay, so now it kind of needs the options and the URL. So as typical and what we usually do, let's go ahead and boot up a room here on TryHackMe. Let's try this room here called Bold, because it's running on port 8000, the machine. So let's see if the tool is equipped to do what we kind of wanted to do. So if we just type this, it says missing argument. Can I do HTTPX? Does it have some sort of help option? Help. Okay, there we go. So it does have some sort of help options. Let's just go ahead and look at the actual. What is the usage? So it says like make the most out of the tool. It's like whoa, a lot of different kind of. So it says you can scan a domain using it like that. So you echo the domain name and pipe it to the tool. Or you could say scanning the host from file, and then we do like that. Okay, so already I think this is just a something to get used to, but yeah, I don't know. Let's see. So we have the IP now. let's go ahead to this tool. Can I just say like that? And then it would probably need the HTTP because I supplied the port. So it outputs all the text to the screen. That's interesting. Let's try and do what they told us to do. So we do like this, echo to HTTPX, missing URL argument. That's because I missed the no. Okay, let's just have a look one more time. What is this tool? Yeah, we could try and do that, you know. We could, yeah, let's just try it because this is new. So let's touch a file called it host.txt nano inside of hosts. Let me just copy paste this here, say copy, and then to host, paste it there, go back, say HTTPX -L hosts -O, and then output, I guess. So it says no L argument. Okay. Now it doesn't seem like this tool is exactly doing what I wanted to do. So let's do HTTPX x help and no x. What does it say? F a file, or what is it? So it seems like the description on the web page is not aligned to the help here. So let's see. Headers, cookie, auth, proxy, timeout, download. Basically just the URL and that's it. So yeah. Well, okay, let's So if I do HTTPX and we only do it like this, it's just outputting the actual HTML. So it's just another semi-advanced curl I'm looking at. Let's have a look at this. So it does. Yeah, I would say that even the image is showing us we can do -L. I'm kind of curious. I'm doing something wrong here. Let's see one more time. Nope. Only parameters to include byte content, form data, files, JSON data, cookies, usernames. No. Yeah, it's difficult to test this, so it doesn't even mention that at all here in the options. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to think. I think the idea is great. If you guys can make this work, multi-purpose HTTP allows you to run multiple probes using. So it's designed to be reliant on fast, increased threads other than finding. yeah, I would say, if you find a tool like this on a web page, latest hacking news, and the help is not even doing exactly what it says here in the image, and this is like not that old, but doesn't really work the way that it should. And even if I copy paste this into the, you can see -L it says, so it's right -L, it's still the same L -I, it is not capitalized or anything, it is a small L. So yeah, it doesn't even say scanning the host and file. It doesn't really do anything. So I would like to say that just based on this, I'm not gonna say I like it. I don't like this. It's it doesn't even say, what does it say, like -L is for domains. So if I do this, grep domain, not getting a single hit. Do anything else just to verify this is working. The word safe, for example. Well, it's a capitalized S. There we go. We do find the one here. So if there was something, domain, main, nothing at all. I wouldn't recommend this at all. I would like to say, don't do it. Stick to gobuster. This is my final. If you watch this video, you haven't wasted your time. You got exactly some knowledge that I'm testing the tools, so you don't have to do it. So until next time, I'm just gonna say, have a very good Easter and have a happy hacking day.